So, good evening to all. So, today's class, profit and loss continuation. So, in the previous class, we already discussed the profit and loss. So, yesterday we already solved some examples. So, today the remaining problems in the profit and loss. So, read the problem, all of you. All of you just read the problem. So, Rahul went to purchase a Nokia mobile handset. The shopkeeper told him to pay 20% tax if he asked the bill. Rahul manages to get the discount of 5% on the actual sale price of the mobile, and he had paid shopkeeper 3325 without tax. Besides, he managed to avoid pay 20% tax on the market price. What is the amount of discount that he has gotten? Here, all of you ma, just read the question first of all. Just read the question, all of you. Just read the question first. So here, Rahul is expecting 5% discount. Rahul is expecting 5% discount. But whenever he go to the shop and whenever he asked the mobile handset, the shop owner says, if you ask bill, you have to pay 20% tax. So here discount is nothing but 5%. Discount is nothing but what am 5%. But if you ask bill, you have to pay 20% tax. Apart from the original MRP, you have to pay 20% tax. So what is the difference between -5 and +20, amma? Difference is how much, amma? 25%. 25%. Okay. The view of the shop owner and the view of the Rahul, the difference between their views is nothing but 25%. Because Rahul need 5% discount, but shop owner need 20% extra tax. There is nothing but, so 20% extra tax is nothing but that should be 120%. 5% discount is nothing but that is 95. The difference between 95 and 120, that is 25%. But finally, Rahul manages to buy that mobile handset with a discount. That is nothing but, with the discount is nothing but they're paying how much, amma? 95% na. With 5% discount is nothing but they are paying 95% na. 95% is nothing but they're paying 3325, amma. So they're asking how much, andi? So they're asking what, amma? They're asking what, amma? So discount, total discount is how much you are getting, amma? 25%. 95% is nothing but this much. So 25% is how much? Look at me, amma. So 95, how many times it goes? 95, how many times it goes? 25, that many times it goes. So 95, how many times, amma? 95. So 35 times 3325. 95 3s as 285, remainder is 15. So 95 3s as 285, remainder is 47, 475. 95 5s as 475. Exactly 35 times. 35 times of 25, so 875. So 35 into 25, 25 is 625, 25 into 10, 250, 250 plus 625, 875. So your answer is what, amma? 875. Therefore, the total Rahul got 875 rupees discount. All of you understood, amma? So finally, Rahul manages to buy the mobile handset with a discount. With 5% discount is nothing but they're paying only 95%. 95% of the MRP is nothing but 3325. So finally, Rahul got 25% discount because initially shop owner says 120%. Original MRP is 100. On MRP 20% tax. 20% tax plus 100% MRP, 120%. Shop owner said 120%, but Rahul paid only 95%. So that is the difference between the shop owner and Rahul is what? 25%. Finally, Rahul got 25% discount. 95% is nothing but this much. Then 25% is how much? All of you understood, amma? Prasad. So are you, Prasad? Are you there from the first from the starting onwards? Just listen, Prasad. All of you. Once again, I will explain, amma. Here, Rahul is expecting 5% discount. MRP is nothing but 100%. MRP is nothing but 100%. Rahul is expecting 5% discount. 5% discount is nothing but what? 95%. 5% discount is nothing but 95%. But shop owner said 20% extra tax. 20% extra tax is nothing but 120%. The difference between Rahul view and shop owner view. Difference is how much, Andy? Difference is how much, Amma? Difference is how much, Andy? 25%. Finally, Rahul paid only 95%. Finally, Rahul paid only 95%. 95% is nothing but 3325. 95% is nothing but 3325. Finally, Rahul got how much percent discount, Amma? How much discount, Andy? 25% discount. So 25% is how much? They're asking what is the amount of discount? What is the amount of discount Rahul has gotten? Are you understood, Prasad? Okay, Namma. Rahul is thinking he need 5% discount, but shop owner initially said 20% tax plus 100%, 120%. So finally, Rahul got 95% only. The difference between the both views is nothing but 25%. Finally, Rahul got 25% discount. Are you okay, na Prasad? Okay. Shall I go to the next question? Shall I go to the next question? A manufacturer fixes his selling price at 33% above the cost of the production. If the cost of the production goes up by 12% and manufacturer raises his selling price by 10%, his percentage of profit is dash. All of you, just look at me, Andy. A manufacturer fixes selling price at 33% above the cost of the production. First of all, I don't know cost of the production. Cost of the production I assume as 100. Cost of the production I assume as what, 100. He fixes selling price 33% above the cost of the production. 33% above the cost of the production. So 33% above the cost of the production is nothing but 33% of 133. Therefore, selling price is what, Amma? Selling price is what, Amma? 133. So if the cost of the production, next time, if the cost of the production goes up by 12%, if the cost of the production is increased by 12%, therefore 12% of 100, 12. New cost price is what, Amma? New CP is how much, Amma? New CP is 112. New CP is what, Amma? 112. Selling price is increased by how much, Andy? 10%. 10% of 133. 10% of 133 is nothing but how much, Amma? 13.33. And it become new SP. New SP is how much, Andy? New SP is how much, Amma? 146.3. 146.3. New CP is 112. New SP is 146.3. Therefore, profit is how much, Andy? Profit is how much, Andy? 34.3. Profit is how much, Amma? 34.3. This 34.3 is how much percentage of this 34.3 is how much percentage of 112? So look at me, all of you. 34.3 is how much percentage of 112 into 100? Look at me, all of you. Don't write anything, Andy. Without using pen and paper, we need to solve. Amma, the denominator is nothing but 100%. 100% is nothing but 112. If 100% is 112, 10% is how much, Andy? 11.2. 10% is how much, Amma? 11.2. 10% is 11.2. I need 34.3 na. If you go for 30%, 3 into 11.2, 33.6 na. If you take 30%, you got how much, Amma? 33.6. But I need how much? 34.3. 33.6 to 34.3, very nearer na. Therefore, your answer is more than 30% and very closer to 30%. See the options, Amma. More than 30, very closer to 30. Which option is there? So your answer is what, Amma? Your answer is what, Andy? So 35 by 8. 35 by 8. Look at me, Amma. I already told the fraction denominator is always 100%. 10% is 11.2. 10% is 11.2. If I take 30%, this is 33.6. But I need 34.3. So both are very closer. Both are very nearer. Both are very nearer. That is the reason your answer is very nearer to 30. Very nearer to 30 is nothing but, very nearer to 30 is nothing but 35 by 8. All of you understood, amma? All of you okay, amma? Very good. Just make a note on the all of you. Next, amma. Shall I go to the next question? Shall I go to the next question? Just read the next question, all of you. A television and a refrigerator were sold for 12,000 rupees each. If the television was sold at a loss of 20% and the refrigerator at a gain of 20%, the entire transaction resulted is dash. So television and refrigerator were sold for 12,000 rupees each. Just all of you underline this word, amma. Sold for 12,000 rupees each is nothing but selling prices are equal now. I already told whenever selling prices are same, whenever selling prices are same, selling prices are same. One article is sold at 20% profit and another article is sold at 20% loss. There should be always a loss of. There should be always a loss of what I told. There should be always a loss of x square by 100. I already told this point now. I already told this point now. All of you clear, Andy? Here selling price of both articles are same now, but I don't know overall cost price. Here I don't know overall cost price. Look at me, all of you. Overall cost price I know. I don't know. Overall cost price I don't know. Overall CP, overall CP I assume as 100. Overall CP I assume as 100. Overall CP. I don't know individual CP. I know overall CP. I assume as 100. Overall loss. Overall loss. Overall loss. Overall loss. How much, amma? X square by 100. There is nothing but 20 square by 100. There is nothing but how much percentage, Andy? 4%. 4% of 100 is how much, amma? 4. Overall selling price. Overall selling price. Overall SP. Overall SP is what, amma? Overall CP is 100. Overall loss is 4. Therefore, overall SP is how much, amma? 96. According to 100, if you assume overall CP is 100, overall SP is 96 because overall loss is 4. But according to our problem, overall SP is how much, amma? Each one it is 12,000. He sold each one is what, amma? Each one is what, amma? 12,000. Each one is 12,000. If each article is 12,000, therefore two articles. So selling price is how much, amma? 24,000. 24,000. How many times it goes? They're asking overall loss. They're asking what, amma? How many times it goes? That many times it goes. Look at me, all of you. Look at me, all of you. For 1 jar, for 24 jar. 24, how many times, amma? 24,000. 24,000 times. Therefore, this is 1, 1,000 times of 1. 1,000 times of 1. 1,000. Therefore, overall loss is how much, amma? Overall loss is what, amma? 1,000. Your answer is overall loss is 1,000. Previously also we solved the same question, but in that case they asked only percentage. In this case they are asking loss. How much loss? Loss is different. Loss of percentage is different. If they ask loss percentage, here your answer is 4% straight away. But here they are not asking the loss percentage. They are asking how much loss is there. So that is the reason we go for like this. All of you understood, amma? So this model is very very important, Andy. All of you okay, amma? Just make a note, and all of you. Next question అండి. If a man reduces the selling price of fan from 1250 to 1000, his loss increases by 10%. The cost price of the fan is dash. So the man reduces. Whenever you are reducing selling price, then definitely you are getting loss. Yes or not? If you reduce your selling price, then definitely you are facing a problem. Okay, Namma? So here, whenever he just Amma, just here, if you observe carefully and straight away you can get the answer, Amma. 1250 selling price become what, Amma? 1250 selling price become what, Amma? 1250 selling price become what, Amma? 1000. And it is reduced by how much, Amma? 250 na? It is reduced by 250 na? In terms of rupees 250. In terms of rupees is how much, Amma? 250. But in terms of percentage is how much, Andi? But in terms of percentage is how much, Amma? In terms of percentage is how much, Andi? 10% na? In terms of percentage is 10% na? In terms of rupees 250, Amma. In terms of percent 10% andi. Due to 10% only 250 reduce na? And 250 rupees is nothing but 10%. 10% of the CP is nothing but 250. Then I need 100% of the CP. 100% is how much? So 10% is 250, then 100% is nothing but what amount? 2500. Your answer is 2500. Option C is the right answer. There is a straight question, Amma. Look at me and once again I will explain, Amma. So here 1250 selling price become 1000. 1250 selling price become what, Amma? 1000. It is reduced by how much, Andi? It is reduced by how much, Andi? 250. Due to this 250, Amma, how much percent loss increases, Andi? 10%. 10% of CP is nothing but 10% of CP is nothing but 250. 10% of CP is nothing but what, Amma? 250. Now I need 100% of the CP. Now I need what, Amma? 100% of CP. 100% of CP is how much? So 10 how many times, Amma? Leda 10 how many times, Amma? 100. 10 how many times, Amma? 100. 10 times. Therefore 250 10 times 2500. In the exam, no need to draw this all these things, Amma. So straight away you can get the answer. Okay, Amma. So due to 10% only 250, 10% 250 is nothing but 100% is nothing but 2500. All of you okay, Amma? Very good. Shall I go to the next question? This is very easy question. So read the next question. This is also simple. Just try to solve yourself, Amma. What is the answer for this question? I am waiting for your response. Just try to solve this question, Amma. 29th question, all of you. I am expecting answer from you. Just try to solve, Andi. What is the answer? I need quick response. So I need answer fast. What is the answer for this question, all of you? By selling a table for 350 instead of 400, last person increases by 5%. The cost price of the table is dash. Very good. Yes, that is the right answer, Prasad. That is the right answer. So very good. So here, that is the straight question, Ma. 350 instead of 400. So 350 instead of 400 is nothing but difference is how much, Andi? 50. That due to 50 only 5% increases. 5% is nothing but 50. 100% is how much? 510 jars, 110 jars, 1000. Your answer is 1000. Okay, Ramma. So 400 rupees instead of 350 rupees. So difference is how much, Amma? 50. 5% of CP is nothing but 5% of CP is nothing but 50 rupees. Then 100% of the CP is how much? 5 any times, Amma? 5 how many times, Andi? 5 how many times, Amma? 10 times. 5 10 times 50. 100 5 times is how much, Amma? Sorry. 5 10 times, 100 10 times. 100 10 times is how much, Amma? 1000. So your answer is 1000. In the exam, no need to write, Andi. So your answer is what, Amma? 1000. Question number 28, Varan. Completed na 28? 28 completed na Varan? 28 completed na Varan? 28 already completed. Go for next question, 30th question. Read the 30th question, all of you. Read the 30th question, all of you. A shopkeeper uses a shopkeeper uses a weight of 960 grams instead of 1000 grams. What is his gain percentage? Just try to solve yourself. I already given this type of model. Just try to solve yourself, and all of you. Just try to solve this question. I need an answer for you from you only. Just try to solve all of you. Answer is 4%. No, that is wrong, Prasad. That is wrong. So still I am waiting for the right answer. So I already explained this question the previous day, yesterday class. So look at me, all of you. So by selling 960 grams, so selling price of 960 grams is equal to, they are giving only 960 grams. They are giving 960 grams, but they are taking, they said that is 1000 grams. They are taking 1000 grams money. They are taking 1000 grams money, but they are giving only 960 grams. And for every 960 sold out, for every 960 sold out, for every 960 sold out, after selling 960 to the customer, the shop owner gained how many grams, Amma? 40 grams profit. For every 960 sold. For every 960 sold. So 40 by 960 into 40 by 960 into what, Amma? 100. 40 by 960 what, Amma? 100. All of you clear, Andy? Look at me, all of you. If 40 by 1000 is there, if 40 by 1000 is there, if 40 by 1000 is there, then your answer is what, Amma? Then your answer is what, Amma? 4%. Then your answer is what, Amma? 4%. But here 40 by 960 is there. So denominator is less than 1000. That is the reason our answer should be more than 4. See the options, Andy. More than 4, which option is there, Amma? So more than 4, which option is there, Andy? So more than 4, which option is there, Amma? 4 1 by 6. Therefore your answer is 4 1 by 6. So I already told this is not cost price. In the previous class also I said, okay na. So in the previous class also I told, Amma. In the previous class also I told. So true weight is not 1000, Prasad. True weight is here 960. So they said that is 1000 grams, but in reality that is only 960 grams na. Are you okay, Prasad? True weight is not 1000. The shop owner said it is 1000 grams, but in reality what is true weight? 960 grams only, because they given only 960 grams na. They said, the shop owner is saying this is 1000 grams, but in reality true weight is what? In that weight, in that thing, how much is there? 960 grams only na. Are you okay, Prasad? So here the shop owner is doing the fraud. So 1000 grams is not the original weight. 1000 grams is the, they said that is 1000 grams, but in reality true weight is only 960 grams. Are you okay, na, Prasad? The same thing I already explained in the previous class. After selling to the customer, just think a while, Prasad. After selling to the customer, then only the shop owner decides he is getting profit. All of you clear, na? For every 960 sold out, he is getting 40 grams profit. For every 960 sold out, after selling only he is getting profit. All of you okay, na? Any shop owner, whenever they start the business, they won't get the profits. After starting the business, whenever he sell his articles to the customers, after selling to the customer, then he decide whether he is getting profit or loss. All of you okay, na? So here 1000 is not price, 1000 is grams. 1000 grams is quantity, not price. All of you okay, Nandi? Very good. Next question, Amma. Just try to solve the next question, all of you. The similar type question. By selling 18 chocolates, vendor loses the selling price of 2 chocolates. Find his loss percentage. Try to do it, all of you. Try to do it, all of you. So by selling 18 chocolates, vendor loses selling price of 2 chocolates. So I already given the same type of question in the previous class. So I already given. By selling 7 bananas, the shop owner is gets 1 banana profit, selling price of 1 banana profit. I already given this question. Just try to solve yourself from all of you. What is the answer for this question? What is the answer for 31st question? What is the answer for 31st question? I am waiting for the answer. By selling 18 chocolates, look at me, Amma. Selling price of 18 chocolates is equal to, in case of loss, selling price is nothing but what, Amma? In case of loss, selling price is nothing but what? Cost price minus loss, na? In case of loss, selling price is nothing but what, Amma? So cost price minus loss, na? All of you okay, Nandi? So selling price of 18 chocolates is equal to, first of all, what, Amma? Cost price of 18 chocolates. Cost price of 18 chocolates minus loss. How much loss, Andy? How much loss, Amma? Loss will be equivalent to selling price of 2 chocolates. Selling price of 2 chocolates. How much loss he is getting? That loss will be equivalent to selling price of 2 chocolates. Amma, this selling price of 2 chocolates, this selling price of 2 chocolates comes to this side, What happened, Andy? This is minus, na? It comes plus, na? Therefore, selling price of 20 chocolates is equal to, selling price of 20 chocolates is equal to what, Amma? Cost price of 18 chocolates. Cost price of 18 chocolates. What is the meaning of this statement, Andy? What is the meaning of this statement, Amma? If you read this statement, Andy, what is the meaning of this statement? Whenever he sold 20 chocolates, he is getting only 18 chocolates cost price, and he is suffering 2 chocolates loss, na? So for every 20 sold out, he's getting how many loss, Amma? 2 chocolates loss per every 20. Whenever he's selling 20 chocolates to the customer, then shop owner decides he's getting 2 chocolates loss. So 2 by 20. In 20, how much percent loss? 20. So 2 is how much percentage, Amma? 2 is how much percentage, Andy? 10%. All of you clear, Amma? All of you understood, Andy? Very good. So all of you understood this model, Amma? Very good. So some members giving their answers. 10% is the right answer. So your option is what, Amma? Option number A. All of you clear, Andy? So okay. Now are you okay, Prasad? So yesterday, okay, Amma? So I already explained all these concepts, Amma. So students are confusing and they are doing mistakes, Andy. Okay, Amma? So don't go for the confusion. It's very clear. It's very clear. Now, shall I move to the next question? So see the next question, all of you. By selling an article for 2250, a person losses 10%. Find his gain or loss percentage if he sells it for 3000. Just try to solve yourself, Amma. What is the answer for this question, all of you? What is the answer for this question, all of you? I am waiting for the response. Just try to solve. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer for this question? I am waiting for the answer. It's a very simple question. Just try to solve without using pen and paper. Without using pen and paper. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Anyone? Anyone? No one. Look at me, all of you. Whenever he selling an article for 2250, that is nothing but 10% loss. 10% loss is nothing but that is 90% of the CP, na? Because cost price is 100%, 10% loss is nothing but 90% na. 90% na. So 90% of the CP is nothing but 2250. 2250 is nothing but 90%. Then 3000 is how much percentage? 2250 is 90%. The same article, whenever he sell for 3000, how much profit is getting? Amma, 2250 is nothing but 90%. 3000 is how much percentage? Look at me and all of you. Look at me and all of you. So 2250 is there, 3000 is there. 259 jars, 259 jars, 250 12 jars. 9 10 times 12 10 times 120. 120% is nothing but 100% CP, 20% profit. Your answer is 20% gain. Your option number A is the right answer. All of you clear andi? Once again I will explain amma. Whenever he is selling for 2250, 10% loss. 10% loss is nothing but how much andi? 10% loss is nothing but what amma? 90%. Because 90% of CP. So 90% of CP, because 100% CP is there. 100% CP is there. 10% loss na. 10% loss is nothing but what amma? 90%. So 2250 is nothing but 90% andi. Next, whenever the same article he sold for 3000, how much profit is getting? How much profit is getting? Look at me all of you. In 250 table andi. In 250 table amma, 250 12 jars, 250 9 jar. 250 in 1000 4 250s are there. In 3000 12 250s are there. In 2000 250 9 250s are there. So 9 how many times amma? 90. 10 times 12 10 times is how much andi? 120. So 120%. What amma? 120%. In this 120% andi, in this 120% amma, so 100% CP, 100% CP, so 20% gain. So your option is what amma? Your option is what amma? Option number A is the right answer. All of you understood andi? Very good. Shall I move to the next question? So all of you understood namma? Okay. So these are second handout questions andi. The second handout also uploaded in the website. The second handout is also uploaded in the website. This is second handout questions. First handout completed. So this is the first question in the second handout. This is the first question in the second handout. So read the first question, all of you. The profit percentage on the three articles ABC is 10%, 20%, 25%. The number of articles, the ratio of the cost price of each article is 1:2:4. Also the ratio of the number of articles sold of ABC is 2:5:2. Then the overall profit percentage is dash. Look at me, all of you. Number of articles into, look at me, all of you. Number of articles into, number of articles into, number of articles into each article cost price is nothing but, each article cost price is nothing but, each article CP is nothing but, each article CP is nothing but total cost price of the particular article, total cost price. Accepted or not, all of you? So each article cost price into number of articles is nothing but total cost price. Say for example, one pen cost 5 rupees. Then 10 pens cost is nothing but 10 into 5, 50 rupees. All of you clear andi? So look at me amma. So number of articles into each article cost price nothing but total cost price. Here they given two ratios andi. Here they given two ratios amma. Here they given two ratios andi. So they given cost price of each article ratio. Cost price of each article ratio. They given cost price of each article ratio andi, and they given one more ratio amma. So they given so number of articles ratio. They given two ratios. Number of articles ratio they provide. Each article cost price ratio they provide. If you multiply those two, then you can get total cost price articles ratio na. Look at me amma. So number of articles ratio. Here three articles are there. A, B, C. Three articles are there. So ratio is what amma? Number of articles ratio is what amma? So number of articles ratio is what amma? So number of articles ratio is 2:5:2. So cost prices ratio amma, each article cost price ratio. So each article cost price ratio andi, each article cost price ratio is what amma? So 1:2:4. Each article cost price ratio amma 1:2:4. If you multiply these two amma, then you can get what andi? So total CP ratio. Total CP ratio. So total CP ratio is what amma? So 2 into 1, 2, 5 into 2, 10. So 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8. Therefore, total cost price is how much andi? So total cost price is how much amma? 20. Total cost price is what andi? 20. On first article, on A article, he is getting how much profit andi? On A article, he is getting how much profit amma? 10%. Therefore, 10% of 2. 10% of 2 is nothing but what amma? 0.2. Second article, he is getting how much profit amma? 20%. Therefore, 20% of 10 is nothing but 20% of 10 is nothing but what amma? 2. On third article, he is getting what amma? 25% profit. So 25% of 8. 25% ఏంటమ్మా 1/4. 1/4 of 8 is nothing but what amma? 2. Therefore, total profit is how much andi? 4.2. Total profit is how much andi? 4.2. So here total cost price is 20 amma. Total cost price is 20 andi. Total profit is 4.2 amma. Now I need overall profit ratio. 4.2 is how much percentage of 20? 4.2 is how much percentage of 20? Look at me all of you. Look at me all of you. So in 2 table 42 goes how many times amma? In 2 table 42 goes how many times andi? 21 times. Therefore, your answer is what amma? So 21%. Your answer is what amma? 21%. 1% is nothing but 0.2. I need 4.2 amma. So 221 times 42 andi. So your answer is 21%. Here they given individual profit percentages amma. Here they are asking what amma? Overall profit percentage. They provide individual profit percentages. They are asking what? Overall profit percentage. On the whole, on the 3 articles, he is getting how much profit andi? 21% profit. All of you understood andi? One thing is very clear amma. Number of articles into each article cost price is nothing but total cost price of the particular article. All of you okay andi? Just make a note. So 20% gain. Here 20 is nothing but 100%. Karthikeyan. So 20% is here. The 20, the denominator 4 by 2, 4.2 by 20 na into 100 na. 1% is nothing but what? 0.2. So 21% is nothing but 21 into 0.2. That is nothing but 4.2. Otherwise, 21 jars, 25 jars. 5 into 4.2, 21. All of you okay namma? 21 jars, 25 jars. 5 4.2 jars, 21. Simply 1% is nothing but 0.2. So that is nothing but, so 44.2 is nothing but 21%. Are you okay, Karthikeyan? Very good. Overall profit is 4.2. Overall cost price is 20. Overall profit by overall CP is nothing but overall profit percentage. They're asking overall profit percentage. So they're asking what amma? Overall profit percentage. Are you okay, Karthikeyan? Very good. Shall I move to the next question? Shall I move to the next question? Just read the next question, amma. Say dealer buys a washing machine listed at 10,000. So I already told list price is nothing but what amma? I already told list price is nothing but what I told amma? So MP. List price is nothing but what I told amma? MP. List price is nothing but what amma? MP. So list price is nothing but 10,000 and gets 10% and 20% successive discounts. So I already told. So what is successive discounts? Okay, Nama. So he spends 10% of CP and transportation, and I already told transportation charges are always added to the CP. So at what price should he sell the washing machine to earn a profit of 10%? To earn a profit of 10%. Amma, just listen and first of all I will explain orally. So here list price MRP is 10,000. He is getting initially how much percent discount amma? 10% discount na? 10% and 10,000, 1,000. The remaining is what? 9,000. The remaining is what? 9,000. Second time discount is what andi? 20%. 20% of 20% of 10,000. So 20% of 9,000 is nothing but 1,800. If you subtract 1,800 from 9,000, 7,200. After giving two successive discounts, after giving two successive discounts, after giving two successive discounts, the price is what amma? 7,200. The price is what amma? 7,200. He spent for 10% for transportation charges na. I already told 10% transportation charges are always added to the cost price. 10% and 7,200, 720. That 720 plus 7,200, 7,920. So overall cost price is 7,920. Overall cost price is 7,920. Overall cost price is 7,920. He is getting how much profit? 10%. 10% on 7,920, 792. If you add 792 to 7,920, that is nothing but 8,712. So your option is what amma? Option C is the right answer. Your option is what amma? Option number C is the right answer. All of you okay nandi? In the exam we need to attack like this. Okay nandi? Don't worry amma. I will explain once again on the board. I will explain once again the board. So look at me all of you. Look at me all of you. Just look at me all of you. Once again I will explain nandi. Here list price nothing but what amma? So list price nothing but market price. List price, market price both are same. Both are same. Here list price is what amma? 10,000. List price is what amma? 10,000. He is getting how much percent discount amma? First discount is how much andi? So first discount is how much andi? First discount is how much amma? So 10% discount. So 10% and 10,000. 10% and 10,000 is nothing but 10% and 10,000 is nothing but how much andi? 1,000. So the after discount, the discounted price is what amma? 9,000. Second discount is how much andi? Second discount is how much amma? Second discount is how much andi? 20%. Second discount is how much amma? 20%. So second discount is how much amma? This is 8,000 na. Therefore, your answer is what amma? 8,712. Your option is what amma? Option number C is the right answer. All of you clear andi? Just make a note and all of you. Just show that the MRP discount. So Swapna is asking one question. Just show me that question. MRP discount SPY or take as CP, sir. Where it is CP, amma? This is not CP. This is LP. LP list price. I already told in the basic class itself. I already told in the basic class itself that is LS is nothing but not CP. That is list price. I already told list price is nothing but marked price. Both are same. List price, MRP, marked price. Okay. Swapna, this is not CP. This is what? This is what? List price is nothing but what? List price is nothing but what? List price. This is LP. List price. List price. Okay, this is list price. List price MP. Both are same. Discount calculating on MRP. I already told na. Discount is always calculated on. Discount is always calculated on. So after giving here the buys, a dealer buys. Look at me. Swapna, just listen here. Dealer buys. Buys is nothing but what? Tell me, buys is nothing but what? CP na? Swapna, dealer is buying. Dealer is buying washing machine. A dealer buying, not customer buying. Dealer is buying the washing machine with some discount, and he is adding some transportation charges, and the dealer is selling to the customer. Are you okay, Swapna? This is cost price for the 7,200 is. This 7,200 is. This 7,200 is cost price for. This 7,200 is cost price for dealer. Dealer cost price. Dealer CP. Okay, so dealer is spending 10% on transportation. I already told transportation charges are always added to the CP. So after adding CP, the 7,920 is what? Total CP. Total CP for the dealer. Total CP for dealer, and the dealer is selling to the customer at 10% profit. 10% on 7,920, 792. That is nothing but 8,712. Are you clear, Andy? I am explaining very clear. Just to understand. Just understand. Try to understand. Okay, Rama. Just try to concentrate. This is not SP. This is CP. Dealer buys. Buys is nothing but CP. Are you okay? Okay. Just listen. Just here I am explaining very slowly, and after giving the question, I will wait for some time for reading the question from the formula. SP. Just I'll show that one. Which formula? I didn't given any formula, Swapna. I didn't given any formula. Okay. So buys is nothing but, sells is nothing but, you are getting selling price. I am not giving any formula. First of all, I am not giving any formula. Just Swapna, do you know Telugu? Do you know Telugu, Swapna? In our language, I will explain. In our language, I will explain. Do you know Telugu, Swapna, first? Here, dealer is purchasing from the shop wholesale market. Just try to think. Try to read the question, Swapna. Dealer is buying. Dealer is not selling. Whenever dealer is buying is nothing but CP. Buying is nothing but not SP. If I am selling to the customer, that is selling price. But here I am buying after discount. That is I am buying na. That is the reason for the wholesale market for wholesale dealer that is SP. But for me that is CP only. Just try to understood Swapna after going home. Just to try to see my the previous class. Then you can get the idea. Here dealer is buying. Buying is nothing but after giving some discount. That is CP for that is CP for that is CP for dealer, and he is spending some transportation charges, and this is the total CP. And that if it is SP, why I am adding the transportation charges to SP? Why I am calculating again profit percentage on SP? Just try to say, Swapna. Okay, so why I'm adding profit to the selling price? This is selling price. This is selling price na. This is not CP na. All of you okay, Amma? Just try to read the question carefully, Amma. See the next question, all of you. Soap manufacturer supplies soap to wholesaler at 15% profit. Wholesaler supplies to this retailer to 20% profit, and retailer sells it to the customer 25% profit. If for the consumer the price of the soap is 17.25, what is the manufacturer cost price of the soap? So here one article is passing through wholesaler to retailer, retailer to a customer. Okay, a article is passing through hands, but here I don't know manufacturing cost price. Manufacturing cost price I don't know. Manufacturing cost price I don't know. Manufacturing, this is not manufacturing CP. I don't know. I assume as what amma 100. I assume as what andi 100. So manufacturing to what amma, how much percent discount amma? 15% discount. 15% of 100 is nothing but 15. It become what amma? 115. It become what amma? 115. Again 115 to, look at me all of you. So 20 percentage. 15% is over. Next 20% profit. So 20% profit. So 20% is nothing but 10% is 11.5. So 10% is 11.5. 20% is nothing but how much amma? 23. If you add 23 to this one, this is 135. Again, how much percent discount amma? How much percent profit amma? 25% profit. So 25% of 135. 25% of 135 is how much amma? 135 half is nothing but 135 67 and half. So 67 and half. Look at me amma. 25% is nothing but 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 of 135. Don't worry. So 4 how many times amma? 4 how many times amma? 4 3 jars 12. Remainder is what amma? 15. So 15 by 4 is nothing but 4 3 jars 12. Remainder is 4 33.75. So it become what amma? It become what andi? So 168.75. 168.75. But according to our problem, amma, finally consumer pays how much andi? 17.25. So, but according to our problem, this 160.25 I am equated to what amma? This 168.75 I am equated to what andi? 17.25. How many times it goes? So So that many times it goes. Look at me, all of you. So here approximately this is 17 now. Approximately okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, no problem. Look at me, Amma. Here small mistake is there. This is 138, Amma. Look at me, Amma. Sorry. This is 138. This is 138, Andy. If it is 138, half is nothing but how much, Amma? Half is nothing but how much, Andy? So half is nothing but 25% is nothing but 25% is nothing but so 138 half is nothing but what, Amma? So 69.25. 69 and a half is nothing but what, Amma? 34.5. If you add 34.5, Amma, this is exactly what, Amma? 172.5. This is exactly what, Amma? 172.5. So exactly it goes how many times, Amma? 172.5, 17.25 is there. Exactly it goes how many times, Amma? 1 by 10 times. Therefore, 1 by 10 times of 100 is how much, Amma? 10. Therefore, our answer is 10. All of you okay, Nandi? So option is what, Amma? Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. All of you clear, Andy? So if one article is passing through like this, just try to go for like this. All of you okay, Amma? So are you ready for the challenge? And I will give the similar question, Amma. I will give the similar question. Just try to solve yourself, Amma. So are you ready for the challenge? I will give the similar question, Andy. All of you ready, Amma? Just try to solve the next question, Andy. Just try to solve the next question, all of you. A manufacturer sells an article to a wholesaler dealer at a profit of 10%. Wholesaler dealer sells it to a customer. A shopkeeper at a profit of 20%. Shopkeeper sells it to a customer for 56,100 at a loss of 15%. Then the cost price of the article of the manufacturer is dash. Just try to solve yourself from all of you. Just try to solve yourself. All of you just try to solve. I need answer. Here initial price I don't know, ma. Initial price I assume as 100. Initial price I assume as what, amma? 100. So how much percent profit, amma? 10% profit. So 10% profit is nothing but 10% of 110. It become what, amma? 110. The wholesaler dealer again profit of how much, amma? 20%. 20% of 110. How much, and 22? It become what, amma? 132. It become what, amma? 132. Shopkeeper sells to a customer at a loss of 15%. At a loss of 15%. Amma 10% is nothing but how much, Andy? 13.2. 10% is nothing but how much, Amma? 10% is 13.2. 5% is nothing but what, amma? 6.6. Therefore, 15% is nothing but what, amma? 19.8. 19.8. If you subtract 20, if you subtract 20, that is 112 na. So if you subtract 20, that is 112 na. 112. But you are subtracting 0.2 extra na. That is nothing but 112.2. This is the final price. But according to our problem, this is what, amma? 56,100. 56,100. How many times it goes? So that many times it goes. Right? So that many times it goes. Look at me, all of you. Look at me, all of you. So here 112 is there, here 56,100 is there. Exactly it goes how many times, amma? Exactly it goes 50 times. 500 times. 100 into 500, 50,000. 12 into 500, 6,000. So exactly 500 times, Andy. Therefore, 500 times of 100, that is nothing but what, amma? 50,000. So your option is what, Andy? 50,000. All of you okay, na, Andy? Very good. So your option is what, amma? Option number C is the right answer. So all of you okay, amma? Just try to solve the next question, Andy. So try to solve yourself, amma, next question in the similar approach, Andy. So fifth question is also similar approach, amma. Try to solve yourself, and all of you. Just try to solve yourself. So Titan sells a wristwatch to a wholesaler making a profit of 10%. Same question, Andy. The wholesaler in turn sells to the retailer making a profit of 10%. A customer purchases it by paying 990. Thus the profit of retailer is 2 3 by 11%. What is the cost price? What is the cost incurred by the Titan to produce it? The production price I don't know. Just assume as 100, then go for the similar pattern. So what is the answer for this one? Just try to solve yourself, Andy. I am waiting for your response. What is the answer for this question, all of you? I am waiting for the response. What is the answer for this one? Anyone? What is the answer for this question? No one. Anyone got amma? Anyone got answer? Anyone got answer? No one. Look at me, all of you. Look at me, all of you. Titan sells a wristwatch to a wholesaler making a profit of 10%. First of all, I don't know the original price. Simply I assume as 100. 10% profit is nothing but 10. It become what amma? 110. Again 10% profit is nothing but 11. It become what amma? 121. Again how much profit amma? 2 3 by 11. 2 3 by 11 is nothing but 2 3 by 11 percentage of 121. Amma 2 3 by 11 is nothing but 11 2 is 22, 23 plus 3 25. 25 by 11 percentage of 121. Look at me and all of you. 11 just 121. Now 25 percentage of 11. 25 percentage of 11 is nothing but half. If you go for half for 11, 5.5. If you go for again half, that is 2.75. That is what amma? 2.75. 2.75 plus 121, 123.75. 123.75. So according to 100, that is 123.75 amma. But according to our problem, this is what amma? 990. Exactly it goes. This is approximately 125. This is approximately 1000. Exactly it goes. This is approximately 125. This is approximately 125. This is approximately 1000. Therefore, exactly it goes 8 times. Therefore, 8 times of 100 is 8 times of 100 is 8 times of 100 is 800. So your answer is 800. Option C is the right answer. All of you okay namma? Are you understood this question, all of you? It's very simple question. The same way of logic amma. Now I am applying here. Okay namma? So all of you understood kadamma? Shall I move to the next question? So this model question is very, very important amma. Just start with 100, then you can get the answers. So according to 100 is how much? According to our problem is how much? All of you okay Nandi? Very good. Shall I go for the next question amma? Shall I go for the next question? So Karthikeyan, where you want doubt? Tell me. Where you want doubt? Tell me. Karthikeyan, from where you want explanation? Just ask me. So the initial explanation, just try to listen carefully. So where you need explanation, just try to ask. Karthikeyan. How 123.75? So for second transaction 121 na, if you add 2.75 to 121, 121 plus 2.75, 123.75. How we are getting 2.75? So this is 2 3 by 11 percentage. 2 3 by 11 percentage of 121. 2 3 by 11 percentage of 121. So 2 3 by 11 percentage of 121. So 11 2 is 22. 22 plus 3 25. 25 by 11 percentage of 121. 11 1 jars. 11 11 jars. 25 percentage of 11. 25 percentage of 11 is nothing but 25 percentage of 11 is nothing but 25 is nothing but 1 by 4 into 11. 11 2s are 8. 11 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is what? 3. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but what? 7.5. So 2.75. 2.75. If we add 2.75 to 121, that is 123.75. So 123.75. This is approximately 125. This is approximately 125. This is approximately 1000. Look at me, all of you. Look at me, all of you. So this is approximately 123.75, and that is approximately 125. This is approximately 990. 125 8 jars, 125 8 jars 1000. 125 8 jars 1000. This is approximately 125. This is approximately 1000. It goes exactly 8 times. Still, if you need explanation for 125, this is how much less, Andy? 1.25 less. For 125, this is how much less, Amma? 1.25 less. For 1000, this is how much less, Andy? 10 less. 1.25, how many times, Amma? 10 goes 8 times. Therefore, 8 times of 100, 800. So if you go for cross multiplication, it will take some time. If you go for cross multiplication, it will take some time. Don't go for cross multiplication. For 125, this is exactly 1.25 less. For 1000, this is exactly 10 less. 1.25, 8 times 10. That is the reason it goes exactly 8 times. 8 times of 100, this is 800. Amma, don't go for bookies cross multiplications. Just try to think in this mode. 123.75 is there, 1000 is there. 125, I already told 12.5. 12.5. For 100, how many 12.5s are there? 8. For 1000, how many 125s are possible? 8. Approximately this is 8 times. This is also 8 times. Your answer is 800. All of you understood, Amma? All of you okay, Amma? Very good. So don't go for cross multiplication. Don't do all these things in the exam. Just try to do orally. All of you understood, Amma? Okay. Are you understood, all of you? If you go for cross multiplication, then you can get the answer. Okay, Amma? If you go for the cross multiplication is what happen? Cross multiplication is what happen? Go for cross multiplication. Definitely you can get the same answer. So 100 into, just assume this is x. Then go for cross multiplication. X is equal to 100 into 990 divided by 123.75. After going home, just do circus. Just do the circus, then you can get 800. But this is bookie's answer. All of you okay, Namma? So don't go for like this. Go for cross multiplication. So just try to do orally. Okay, Namma? So don't go for cross multiplication. All of you okay, Namma? Very good. Shall I go to the next question? So read the next question, all of you. So a dealer sold a bicycle at a profit of 10%. Just read the question. I will wait for some time now. Just read the question carefully. Then you understood. Okay, now a dealer sold a bicycle at a profit of 10%. He bought the bicycle at 10% less price and sold it at a price 60 rupees more. He would have gained 25% profit. The cost price of the bicycle is dash. So here a dealer sold a bicycle at a profit of 10%. First of all, I don't know original cost price. Here I don't know original cost price. I assume as 100. Original CP I assume as 100. He sold 10% profit. 10% profit is nothing but 10% of 110. Therefore, original SP is what, Amma? Original SP is what, Amma? 110. Original SP is what, Amma? 110. So he bought, next time he bought bicycle 10% less. So 10% less is nothing but, next time he bought 10% less is nothing but, so 10% of, next time he bought 10% less is nothing but 10% of 110. New CP is equal to how much, Amma? New CP is equal to what, Amma? 90. Next time he bought 10% less, na? 10% of 100 is nothing but 10 rupees less. So now new cost price is what, Amma? 90. Whenever he is selling, so 60 rupees more. Whenever he is selling 60 rupees more, whenever he is selling 60 rupees more, so 60 rupees more, he is getting how much profit, amma? How much profit? And he is getting 25% profit. So 25% of 90, 25% of 90. So 90 half 45, 45 half 22.5, 40 half 22.5. It become what, amma? 112.5. It become what, andi? 112.5. It become what, amma? 112.5. So this is what, amma? New SP. This is what, amma? New SP. New SP. So new SP is 112.5. New SP is what, amma? 112.5. Old SP is what, amma? 110. So difference is how much, andi? Difference is how much, amma? All of you just tell me difference is how much, andi? Difference is how much, amma? So 2.5. 2.5. According to 100 it is 2.5 only, but according to our problem, now it is how much difference, how much more is there, amma? 60 rupees more is there. So 2.5, how many times it goes? That many times it goes. So in 10, 4 2.5 times are there. In 60, how many 2.5s are there, amma? In 60, how many 2.5s are there, amma? So 24 2.4 times are there. So therefore 24 times of 100, 24 times of 100, 2400. Your answer is what, amma? 2400. So option number A is the right answer. Option number A is the right answer. This is very, very important question, andi. Just make a note of all of you. Just make a note of all of you. This is very, very important question, andi, all of you. So many students are doing mistake, andi. They're adding 60 to 90. This 90 is according to our assumption, but 60 is according to the problem. Okay, namma? Just make a note, and this question is very, very important. All of you make a note, amma. So these are some advanced level questions, andi. So try to listen carefully, amma. So after completion of the video also, so Karthikeyan is asking, so how you are calculating 2.5 into 24 is 60. So Karthikeyan, just listen, amma. For 10, how many 2.5s are possible in 10 rupees? How many 2.5s are possible? 2.5s are possible. 4 na? For 10 rupees 4 2.5s na? For 60, 6 4 just 24 na? Are you okay, Karthikeyan? For 10 rupees, how many 2.5 rupees are possible? For 10 rupees. For 10 rupees, how many 2.5? 4. For 10 rupees 4 na? For 60 rupees 24. Are you okay, Karthikeyan? Just think in general way. If you think in any mathematical way, na, definitely you are facing a problem. Just think in general way. For 10 rupees, 4 2.5s are possible. For 60 rupees, for every 10 rupees 4 na, 60 rupees, 6 into 4, 24. Are you okay, Karthikeyan? Very good. If you think like this, na, in the exam you are getting same ideas. If you do circus, na, if you do cross multiplications, na, in the exam also you are doing the same calculations. Okay, Namma? Just try to think in smart way. Shall I go to the next question, Amma? Just try to read the question, Amma. Just try to read this question, the seventh question. On selling chair at 7% loss and a tablet at 17% gain, a man gains 296. Swapna, sir, shall I to so Swapna is asking, sir, shall you take as 25% is 60? No, no, no. That is not 25% is 60. Not 25% is 60. On 90, you are getting 25% profit, not on 100. On new cost price is what? Swapna, new cost price is what? New cost price is 90, not 100. Are you okay, Swapna? So 25% on 90, not 25% on 100. Are you okay, Ramma? So Sunny is asking, sir, you said when two numbers are numerically same, you said the formula. Not, this is not numerically same, na? Sunny, where it is numerically same? Any word numerically same is there? Sunny, here any in this question any numerically same word is there? Sunny, here any numerically same is there in the question? Any numerically word is there? Nothing is there, na? That is different, Sunny. Okay, Namma? Are you okay, Sunny? Here there is no word like numerically. I will explain regarding numerically sum. Okay. I think one question is there. One question is there like that. I will explain. Yes. Sunny, just listen to me here. You ask this one. A watch is sold for 144 rupees. If a percentage of profit is equal to, if percentage of profit is equal to CP numerically. You are asking this question numerically. For this question, so look at me on this question, then we go for the again back. So numerically same. I already told now whenever numerically same, selling price is nothing but what I told. Selling price is nothing but what I told. X plus x square by 100. Here they given selling price sold for 144 rupees. Therefore 144 rupees is equal to x plus x square by 100. So they're asking x. X is how much? CP is nothing but x, na? X is how much? Go through options, Amma. Go through options. So here I need 144. Which one is the best option? So 80 is the best option, because if you go for 80 squaring, you are getting, so I go through 80, Amma. 80 plus 80 square by 100. 80 plus 80 square is nothing but how much, Amma? 6400, na? So 6400 by 100 is nothing but 100 get cancel. 80 plus 64, 144, na? So satisfied or not? So your option is what, Amma? Option number B is the right answer. So sir, why you are taking 80 directly, sir? If you go for 8 square, if you go for 80, 8 square is nothing but 64, na? End with 4, na? That is the reason. So I go for 80. So if you go for 90 square, that is nothing but 1 unit digit is 1. If you go for 100 plus 100 square, that is nothing but again nothing will get, only 10 you are getting plain number, but I need here 4. If you go for 72, that is not a plain number, it's not at all possible. All of you clear, Andy? Your option is 144. Are you okay, Sunny? Here they given numerically equal, numerically. All of you okay, Namma? Are you understood, Andy? So 17th question answer is this one. Okay, Namma? So in case of profit, we go for like this. In case of loss, x minus x square by 100. Are you okay, Sunny? Very good. Shall I move to the next question, Amma? So next question is what, Andy? Look at me, Amma, here. Read the 7th question, and all of you. I'm selling chair at 7% loss and table at 17% gain. Look at me, Amma, all of you. 7% loss. Chair 7% loss. 7% loss nothing but minus 7c. Table at 17% gain. Gain is nothing but 17% table. In this transaction, he is getting how much profit, Amma? He gains how much profit, Andy? 296. Listen carefully here, Amma, all of you. Listen carefully, all of you here. Amma, this statement I can written as 7% is nothing but 7 by 100, na? Listen, all of you. 7% is nothing but 7 by 100, na? 17% is nothing but 17 by 100, na? That 100 is the LCM. LCM goes to that side. This one I can written as, 7c minus 7c plus 17t is equal to 296. Here 7 by 100, 17 by 100. That LCM 100 comes to the side. This is 29,600 na. All of you understood andi. Similarly, second statement given what amma? 7% gain, chase 17% gain, table 12% profit. Chundamma, look at me andi. 7% gain plus, so this is 12% gain table is equal to how much andi? 400 profit. 400. Here also, look at me amma. This is 7% na, 7 by 100. This is 12% na, 12 by 100. 100 comes to the side. This is 40,000 na. If we equate these two equations amma, 7c get cancel. 17t, 12t, 29t. 29t is equal to 69,600. Okay namma. So 29 1 jars, 29 24 times. Okay namma. Therefore table cost is equal to 2400. They're asking table price only. The actual price of the table is how much amma? 2400. All of you clear andi? All of you understood amma? The table price is what amma? So the table price is what amma? 2400. Your option is option number D. All of you understood andi? If you see the same question in your book is answers amma, they're solving lot of calculation. So no need to go for the lot of calculations andi. So if you go for like this in the exam without using pen and paper also, we are going to attack directly. All of you clear andi? Just make a note andi. So this type of problems are very very important amma. Listen carefully here andi. All these problems are so some high level problems amma. If you listen carefully, then only it is possible andi. Okay amma. Just try to listen and all of you. So make a note of all of you. Just make a note all of you. Just make a note of all of you. Shall I move to the next question? Sir, how you are getting 100 here, sir? Percentage is there. Percentage nothing but 2 zeros. Put here. All of you okay, namma? So see the next question, andi. A reduction of 20% in the price of a sugar enables a person to buy 2 kgs more for 30 rupees. Find the reduced under the original price of the sugar. Amma, I already told new price. I already told what amma? New price. New price is nothing but what I told andi. New price is nothing but what I told amma. Change in price by change in quantity. Change in price by, I already given this point. Change in price by change in quantity. Reduced price is nothing but new price only. Change in quantity. So new price is nothing but reduced price only. New price is nothing but what amma? Reduced price only. So change in price. Here change in price is what amma? 20%. Change is nothing but either increase or decrease. Here 20% reduction is there. For how many rupees amma? 30 rupees. Therefore 20% of 30 rupees. 20% of 30 rupees. Change is 20% of 30 rupees divided by, so due to 20% reduction, how many kgs extra you are getting? How many kgs extra you are getting? So you are getting 2 kgs extra. So quantity change is how much amma? 2 kgs extra. 20% of 30 rupees. You have it 30 rupees. 20% reduction is there. 20% of 30 rupees is how much amma? 20% of 30 rupees is how much amma? 6 rupees. For that 6 rupees, you are getting how many kgs extra? 2 kgs extra. Therefore, new price is what amma? 3 rupees. New price is what andi? 3 rupees. See the options andi. See the options. Start with the 3 rupees. Only one option is there. But none of this is there na. That is the reason you have to calculate original price also. That is the reason you have to calculate what amma? Original price also. Look at me andi. So original price I don't know andi. Original price I don't know ma. Original price I don't know. I assume as 100 andi. 20% reduction is nothing but 20% of 100, 20. Therefore, new price is equal to 80. According to 100, new price is 80, but according to our problem, new price we got what, amma? 3. According to 100 it is 80, but according to our problem 3. How many times it goes? That many times it goes. 0, 0 get cancel. 0, 0 get cancel. If you go for cross multiplication, 30 by 80. What amma? 30 by 3 10 are 30 by 80. So 30 by 80 is nothing but 8 3 are 24. Remainder is 6. 6 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Therefore, original price is what amma? 3 by 4. New price is 3 rupees andi. Original price is 3 by 4 amma. Your option is what andi? Option number B is the right answer. All of you clear andi? So this model is also very important amma. I already told. So new price is nothing but change in price by change in quantity. In the price, 20% change is there. For that 6 rupees, you are getting 2 kgs extra. So 6 rupees reduction, due to 6 rupees reduction, you are getting 2 kgs extra is nothing but 1 kg new price is 3 rupees. 1 kg new price is what amma? 3 rupees. If 1 kg new price is 3 rupees, I don't know original price andi. I assume as 100 amma. According to 100, 20% reduction is there. Therefore, new price is 80. According to 100, it is 80 amma. But according to our problem, this is 3 rupees. So how many times it goes? That many times it goes andi. 0, 0 get cancel amma. Then 3 into 10, 30 by 8. 30 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4. Therefore, new price is equal to what amma? So original price is what amma? 3 by 4. Your option is 3 comma 3 by 4. All of you okay amma? This is very important question. Shall I go for the next question andi? If you see the bookies answers, that is very difficult way of calculation. Okay nandi? Just try to, here nothing is there. If you just, I am drawing the picture. Okay, this is general way. It's not a mathematical way. If you think in a mathematical way, it's very tough. Okay Namma? Just try to do in a general way. Okay Namma? So shall I move to the next question Namma? Just read this 9th question, all of you. All of you read the 9th question. Just try to solve yourself from all of you. Just try yourself. I'm expecting answer from you. Just try to solve yourself. In clerk mains also we are expecting this type of questions, Karthikeyan. Clerk mains also we are expecting these type of advanced questions, Amma. Okay, clerk mains itself they are asking these type of questions. Okay, are you okay, Karthikeyan? Just try to listen. Okay, Amma. Just read this question, Amma. A dairyman pays 6.40 rupees per liter of milk. If you practice, Karthikeyan, if you see the first time na, you are feeling it is tough. If you practice more number of times na, then definitely you are feeling it is very easy. Okay, Rama. For first time, it's not that much easy to understood. Okay, Rama. Just if you practice n number of times, then you can get the more idea. It's not possible to get this quantity to upload in a single day. Okay, Rama. If you have that patience to learn this subject. Okay, Rama. Look at me, Amma Karthikeyan. So a dairyman pays 6.40 rupees per liter of milk. He adds water and sells the mixture at 8 rupees, thereby making a profit of 37.5% profit. The proportion of water to milk received by the customer is dash. Look at me, all of you. We go through allegations or mixtures and listen carefully here, Amma. Pure milk cost 6.40. You are adding water. Water. Water cost price is always 0. Water is freely available. Water is available freely in the market. So water is free. Don't take 2 rupees or 3 rupees. Water is always free. If you purchase in your home also, no problem, but you have to take 0. This is 6.40 is the cost price. 0 is also cost price, but I don't know the selling price. So selling price is cost price, mixture cost price. Selling price they given what amma? 8 rupees. Mixture selling price they given, but I need what? If you put 8 here, it's not possible because average is always in between these two. So 8 is not what amma? Cost price. 8 is what? Selling price. That is the reason. First of all, you have to calculate what and you have to calculate what amma? Mixture cost price. He is getting how much profit and 37.5% profit. Amma 37.5% profit is nothing but that should be 137.5%. Na? Therefore, 137.5% of CP is nothing but what amma? CP is nothing but what amma? 8 rupees. Now I need what amma? 100% of the CP is how much? Okay, Nandi. 37. Listen, amma. 37.5% of CP is nothing but profit. 37.5% is profit. Original cost price is 100%. 100% plus 37.5 is nothing but 137.5. 137.5% of CP is nothing but 8 rupees. Then 100% is how much? Look at me, amma. In 12.5 table, look at me and all of you. In 12.5 table, 12.5 8 jar 100. 12.5 11 jars 137.5. Because for 100, 12.85 are 8. In 37.5 3 total 11. So if you go for like this one cross multiplication, 8 8 jar 64. 64 by 11. 64 by. Therefore mixture cost price is what amma? Mixture cost price is what amma? 64 by 11. So this is a fraction. If you take this one is directly like this, definitely it will take some time. Here fraction is there, amma. That is the reason. In order to get the plain number, I multiply 11 with each and every number. No problem at all, na. I multiplied with everywhere, na. No problem at all. Now cancel 11 andi. Amma 11 into 6.4 is how much andi? 11 into 6.4. 10 into 6.4. 64. 64 plus 6.4. This is what, amma? This is what, amma? So 70.4. 11 into 0, it is always 0. It is always 0. This is 64. Now 64 is between 70.4 and 0. So difference is what, amma? 64. Here difference is what, amma? 70.4. So how many times it goes? That many times it goes, andi. Look at me, all of you. So it goes how many times, andi? All of you look at me, amma. So here 11 get cancelled. Here 6.4 into 11 is nothing but 70.4. Look at me, amma. Here they're asking what, amma? The proportion of water to milk received by the customer. Water to milk. Water to milk. So how many times, andi? Here difference is 64. So this is 70.4. So which table to cancel, andi? Look at me, all of you. 6.4 table, andi. 6.4 10 times. 6.4 11 times. They're asking what, amma? They're asking what, amma? The proportion of water to milk. Water to milk received by the customer. Water is how many parts, andi? 11 parts. So 11 is to 10. So they given. So option is there, amma? Is not there, andi? Wait, amma. 11 6 11 10 6.64. 64 plus 6 70 70.4. Karthikeyan what? 11 into 6.4. 10 into 6.4 64. 64 plus 6.4 70.4 only. Karthikeyan, are you okay na? Sir, subtraction. Okay. Subtraction kada. Wait. So we go for the subtraction, amma. 64 is the subtraction. Here subtraction is how much, Andi? I think this is 6.4. So how many times, amma? Look at me, amma, all of you. How many times, Andi? 6.4 one time, 6.4 10 times. They're asking, this is milk to water, Andi. 10 is to 1 is what, amma? Milk to water, Andi. But they're asking what, amma? Water to milk. So water to milk is nothing but reverse, Andi. Water to milk is nothing but what, amma? 1 is to 10. So your option is option number A. All of you okay, Namma? All of you understood, Andi? So your answer is what, Amma? 1 is to 10. Next question, Amma. So the ratio of selling price of 3 articles ABC is 8 is to 9 is to 5, and the ratio of percentage of profits is 8 is to 7 is to 14 respectively. If the profit percentage of A is 14.28, okay, Namma. So the cost price of B is 400. What is the overall percentage gain? Look at me, all of you. This question is very, very important, Andy. Here they given the profit, the ratio of percentage of profits is, okay, Namma, and the selling prices ratio they given. Selling prices ratio they given. Okay, Andy. So selling prices ratio is what, Amma? A, B, C. Just listen carefully here, Amma. Selling prices ratio they given. That is what, Amma? 8 is to 9 is to 5. Here, on percentage of A is what, Amma? 7.28. So, A article profit is, listen carefully here, and all of you. On article A, profit is 14.28. I already told 14.28 percentage profit is nothing but 1 by 7. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So, profit is nothing but what, Amma? Numerator is added to denominator, na? Yes or na? And 1 by 8, na? So out of 8 parts, one part it is what, Amma? So cost profit, and the remaining 7 parts is what, Amma? Cost price. Therefore, I need cost prices ratio, Amma. I need a cost prices ratio, and so this is, if cost price is 7, if cost price is 7, Amma, if cost price is 7, 1 by 7 times, Amma, 14.28. 1 by 7 times of 7 is nothing but 1. This 1 is profit. Cost price is 7 parts. Profit is 1 part. Selling price is 8 parts. Are you understood this one, Amma? So here they given selling price is 8. On article here is getting 14.28% profit. 14.28% is nothing but 1 by 7. 7 parts is cost price. 1 part is profit. 8 parts is selling price. Are you understood? And this one goes 1 by 7 times. If 8 is there, that is 1 by 8, 7 times. Here 9 is there. This one goes how many times, Amma? 1 by 8 times. This is what? 8. Here 5 is there. It goes how many times, Amma? 1 by 4 times. This is what, Amma? 4. So profit is everywhere 1. This is the ratio proportion, na? So we go for, therefore cost prices ratio is what, Amma? Cost prices ratio is 7 is to 8 is to 4. They given, so what is the overall percentage of profit? Overall percentage of gain. Look at me, all of you. Overall selling price is how much, Andi? Overall selling price is what, Amma? 8295. 829 is how much, Amma? 17. 17 5 22. All of you clear, Andi? Overall cost price is how much, Andi? Overall cost price is how much, Amma? So 15 19. Overall cost price is 19. Overall selling price is 22. Okay, Amma? So 22. So overall profit is how much, Andi? Overall profit is how much, Amma? 3. So profit is always calculating on what, Andi? Profit is always calculating on CP. So 3 by 19 into 100. 3 by 19 into 100. All of you listen, Andi. 1 by 19 is nothing but I already told 1 by 19 in fraction table. I already told 1 by 19 is nothing but 5.26 percentage. I already told 1 by 19 is nothing but 5.26 percentage, Amma. 3 by 19 is nothing but 3 times of 5.26. 3 times of 5.26 nothing but 15.78. What, Amma? 15.78. But your answer is none of these. All of you understood andi? All of you okay namma? So here, listen andi all of you. Here I am taking 14.28% is the keyword. Amma, sometimes they given some extra information. Sometimes they given some extra information andi. Don't bother about the some extra information andi. What are the data you need? Take that data only. Sometimes they given some extra data. In order to confuse the students in the exam, they are giving some extra data. Don't confuse with extra data. All of you clear andi? Are you understood this question? All of you okay na andi? Just make a note andi. Just try to make a note amma. So if you go for your book is answer andi for the same question, definitely. So the solution is minimum one page. So don't try for like that type of question answer amma. Just try to do like this. So within seconds we are getting the answer. Okay na andi? The given selling prices ratio, I am finding out cost prices ratio, overall selling price, overall cost price. Therefore, profit is three parts out of 19. 3 by 19 is nothing but 15.78. That is nothing but none of this. So next question, amma. So look at me, amma, here, all of you. In Excel, cell C is X only in packs of 3x, 6x, 9x, 12x, etc. But the rate is not necessarily uniform. One day Raju purchased at the rate of 3x a rupee. This is in one market. In the next hour, he purchased equal number. Please underline equal number. Please underline equal number. This is very, very important keyword. Equal number of x at the rate of 6x a rupee. At the rate of 6x a rupee. Please underline this one, amma. So next hour he purchased 6x a rupee and sold all the x at the rate of 9x for 2 rupees. 9x for what, amma? 2 rupees. Generally, students are thinking, so 3x for 1 rupee, 3x is 1 rupee, 3x is 1 rupee. 3x is 1 rupee. 6x is 1 rupee. Therefore, total 9x is 2 rupees. 9x CP equal to 9x CP is equal to 2 rupees. 9x selling price also 2 rupees. They said no profit, no loss. They said no profit, no loss. This is right answer. All of you, amma, this is right answer, Andy. This is right answer, amma, Meena. So you said no profit, no loss. That is the wrong answer, Andy. So the students are like doing like this. If option E is none of this is there, if option E is none of this is there, then everybody is picking that option. Everybody is picking that option. This is not right way. Here, first transaction 3x. Second transaction how many x? 6x. These two are equal. These two are equal, amma. They said what? Next hour, he purchased equal number of x. In the first market, how many x you are purchasing? In the second market also, you are purchasing the same number of x. Price is not same, but the number of x are different. Quantity is different. All of you clear, Andy? Price market to market is different. So here they given quantity is different. First of all, I need to take what, amma? Quantity should be equal. All of you clear, Andy? So this is the wrong answer. So students are thinking like this, Andy. This is wrong way of calculation, all of you. Look at me, all of you. The original solution is here. First market, they are purchasing 3x for 1 rupee. In the second market, he purchasing 6x per 1 rupee. This is CP. In SP, he is selling 9x for 2 rupees. 9x for 2 rupees. But in the first market, they're purchasing 3. Second market, they're purchasing 6. But I need in both the market, he need to purchase the same. That is the reason I go for the LCM of these 3. In order to equal the number, in order to equal the number, we go for LCM of what amma? These 3. LCM of these 3 in order to equate. All of you okay nandi? What is the LCM of 369? What is the LCM of 369 and all of you? What is the LCM of 369 amma? LCM is 18. LCM is what amma? 18. So I need to purchase 18x from the first market, 18x from the second market. Now both x are equal. So first market price is what amma? 3x 1 rupee na? If 3x is 1 rupee, then 18x is how much andi? 18x is how much amma? 6 rupees. 18x is how much andi? 6 rupees. 3x is the 1 rupee, 18x is what amma? 6 rupees. In second market, 6x is 1 rupee. In second market, 6x is 1 rupee. Then 18x is how much amma? 9 rupees. Coming to selling price amma. Andi. Total 18x how many amma? 36x na. So I need to solve 36x na. If 9x is 2 rupees, 9 how many times amma? 36 to 4 times. Therefore 4 12 jars, 4 2 jars 8. 4 2 jars how much amma? 4 2 jars is how much amma? 8. 9x is 2 rupees. 9x selling price is 2 rupees. Then 36x selling price is 8 rupees. Amma, so total cost price is what amma? Total 9x. So total 36x. 36x CP is equal to 36x CP is equal to what amma? 36x CP is equal to 9 rupees. If 36x CP is 9 rupees, 36x SP is what amma? 36x SP is what amma? 8 rupees. 36x SP is what amma? 8 rupees. Therefore loss is how much andi? Loss is how much amma? 1 rupee. Loss is how much andi? 1 rupee. If loss is 1 rupee, cost price is what amma? 9 rupees. 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is nothing but, I already told andi, 1 by 9 is nothing but what amma? 11 1 by 9. Or I can written as 11.11. Both are same answers. So your option is what amma? 11.11% loss. All of you understood andi? This is very very important amma. Here keyword, it is only one keyword andi. Here keyword is the only one word, one keyword andi. Equal number. This is the keyword you are going to identify. Equal number. Both the market should be equal. In order to equal, we should go for LCM of these numbers. All of you understood andi? This question is very very important. All of you okay amma? Just make a note andi. Just all of you make a note andi. So Meena Kumari, that is not 0. Shall I move to the next question? Similar question, try to solve yourself andi. The 12th question is similar to previous question andi. 11th question. Just try to solve yourself on this question. I am waiting for your response. So what is the answer for this question? The same question. 12th question is the same question. Try to solve yourself. I am waiting for the response andi. So what is the answer for this question? Anyone? Here also they given same number. Same number is nothing but what amma? Equal number. So first case is what amma? 5 for a rupee. 5 articles for 1 rupee. Second case amma? 4 for a rupee. This is CP. This is what amma? CP. and sold at the rate of 9 for 2 rupees. Selling price 9 for 2 rupees. Generally, students are thinking 5, 4, total 9, 9, 2 rupees, 9, 2 rupees. Therefore, answer is no profit, no loss. That is wrong. Here, one market they purchased 5, another market they purchased 4. This is not same, but they are asking same. Okay, Namma. First of all, our duty is what, Amma? First of all, our duty is what, Amma? To go for LCM. 549. 549. LCM is what, Amma? LCM of anyone? LCM of 549. 5 4 just 20. 29 just 180. LCM is what, Amma? 180. Look at me, all of you. Look at me, all of you. 5 articles. 5 articles. Cost price is 1 rupee. Then 180 articles cost price is how much? 180 by 5. 180 by 5 is nothing but how much, Amma? 36 rupees. 4 articles is 1 rupee. Then 180 articles is how much? 180 by 4, 45 rupees. Therefore, now I need to sell 360 articles. 180, 180 total is 360. 9 articles is 2 rupees. Then 360 articles. 360 by 9. 40, 42 is 80. Look at me, Amma. Therefore, total 360 articles CP is equal to 360 articles CP is equal to 81 rupees, Amma. But according to our problem, 360 articles selling price is what, Amma? 360 articles selling price is what, Amma? 360 articles selling price is what, Amma? So 80 rupees. So loss is how much, Andi? Loss is how much, Amma? Loss is how much, Andi? 1 rupee. Loss is how much, Amma? 1 rupee. For every 360 articles transaction, loss is 1 rupee. But according to our problem, loss I need how much, Amma? 3 rupees. For every one article, Amma, 360 articles, Andi, 1 rupee is loss. How many times it goes, Andi? 3 times. Therefore, your answer is 360 into 3, 1080. Therefore, your answer is what, Amma? 1080. Your option is B. Option B is the right answer. So this model is very, very important, Amma. Whenever they given same number, first of all, write down the actual points and try to equate. The same problem, na. It is similar to previous problem, na. All of you okay, Nandi? So this model is very, very important, Amma. So make a note, and all of you make a note, Nandi. So in order to equate, we go for what, Amma? LCM of these numbers. LCM of these numbers. Though these three numbers LCM, so these three numbers LCM is what, Amma? So these three numbers LCM is what, Andi? So 180. If 5 articles is 1 rupee, then 180 articles is 36 rupees. If 4 articles is 1 rupee, therefore 180 articles is 45 rupees. Similarly, total cost price, total selling price, according to 361 rupee, for every 360 articles he is suffering 1 rupee loss. For 3 rupees loss, 1080 articles. All of you okay, Amma? After going home, just try to see this video again, Amma, then you can get more clarity. So if you see 2 to 3 times, then you can get the ideas, and it's not possible in a single attempt. Okay, Amma? Just read the 13th question, all of you. This is very easy question. A small logic is there in this one. If you see this question, if you got that logic, within a second you can get the answer. Just read this question and what is the logic behind this question. Just try to identify that logic. If you identify that logic, then it is very easy for you. Okay, Amma? Just read this question, and all of you. Just read this question, all of you. All of you read this question, and cost price of 2 motorcycles is same. CPs are same. One is sold at a profit of 15%, and another one 4,800 more than the first. If the net profit is 20%, first one it is a profit of 15%. Second, net profit is 20. Find the cost price of each motorcycle. Look at me, Andy. One article he sold at 15% profit. Another article I don't know. First article is what amount? 15. Average. First article is 15. Second article I don't know. Average. Average is how much, Andy? 20. First article is 15% profit. Second article I don't know. Average is nothing by 2 is equal to 20. The second article, if it is X, 2 comes to that side. 2 into 20, 40. If you subtract 15 from 40, that is 25. Therefore, second article cost price is what, amma? 25. All of you clear, Andy? So here, and one more thing, amma. First article sold at 15% profit. The difference between the first article and second article selling price is what, amma? 4,800. Cost prices are same. Okay, amma? Cost prices are same. First article profit is what, amma? 15%. Second article profit is what, amma? So 25%. So the difference between 15% and 25% is, that difference is what, amma? 10%. 10% is nothing but 4,800. Then 100% is how much? 48,000. So your answer is what, amma? 48,000. Option A is the right answer. All of you clear, Andy? All of you okay, Namma? So option A is the right answer, Andy. This is a very simple question. The difference between 15% and 25% difference is 10%, Amma. 10% is about 4,800, then 100% is 48,000. All of you clear, Andy? Okay. Shall I go for next question, Andy? So see the next question, Amma. Albert buys 4 horses and 9 cows for 13,400. He sells horse at 10% profit and the cow at 20% profit. Then he earns a total profit of 1880. The cost for the horse is dash. Look at me, all of you. 4 horses plus 9 cows is equal to 13,400. Okay, Namma? This is the first statement. Listen carefully, Andy. If you listen carefully, then you can get the answer. This is the first statement. If he sells the horse at 10% profit, total how many horses, Amma? 1 horse at 10% profit na. 4 horses nothing but 40% profit na. 4 horses is nothing but, so 4 horses nothing but 40% profit. 40% of horse plus, and the cow at 20% profit. 1 cow at 20% profit na. Like that, how many cows, Amma? 9 cows na. 1 cow at 20% profit. 9 cows is nothing but 9 into 20, 180%. 9 into 20, 120% of cow is equal to how much he is getting profit, Amma? 1880. All of you okay, Nandi? Amma, 40% of each. 40% simply 1880. 40% simply I can written as 2 by 5. I already told 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. 40% is nothing but 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of h plus, Amma, 20% nothing but 1 by 5 na. If 20% is 1 by 5, 9 into 1 by 5, 9 by 5 na. 9 by 5 of C is equal to 1880. 1880. Okay, Namma? if 5 is the LCM now here, if 5 comes to that side, then what happened, Andy? 2 horses plus 9 cows is equal to 5 into 1880. 5 18 just 9000, 5 80 just 400, 9400, 9400. So if you go for cancellation, amma, if you go for cancellation, and minus 9 cows get cancelled, 4 horses, 2 horses, 2 horses. If you go for the subtraction, so this is what, amma? 4000, difference is 4000. Therefore 2 horses is equal to 4000. Therefore 1 horse is equal to how much, amma? 2000. Your answer is 2000. All of you okay, Nandi? So if you see that the same questions in the bookies answers, amma, they are doing lot of circus, and don't go for that type of bookies answers, amma. Just try to solve like this. All of you understood or not? All of you okay, amma? Very good. Just make a note, all of you. So percentages we know very well. 1 horse 10%, 4 horses 40%, 20% nothing but 1 by 5, 40% nothing but 2 by 5, 2 by 5 of H plus 9 by 5 of C is equal to 1880. 5 is the LCM. This 5 comes to this side. 1880 into 5, 9400. This 9400, how it is coming? Okay, Nama. This 9400 is nothing but 9400 ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే 9400 is nothing but 1880 into 5. 1880 into 5. All of you okay, Namma? Shall I go to the next question? Next question. Just try to read this question, Andy. A man purchases 2 clocks A and B, a total cost of 650. He sells A with 20% profit, B at 25%, and gets the same selling price for both the clocks. Please underline same selling price. Same selling price. What are the purchasing price of A and B? Amma, selling prices are same. SP1 is equal to SP2. Selling prices are same. This is the keyword we got. First article he sold at a profit of 20% profit. 20% profit is nothing but that should be 120%, na? Therefore, so 20% profit is nothing but that should be 120%, na? 120% of CP1, cost price of first article, is equal to second article he is getting 25%, a loss of 25%. Loss of 25% is nothing but loss 25% is nothing but 25% loss is nothing but how much, amma? 75% of CP2. Amma, why I am taking 120%, amma? In this 120, okay, amma, 100 CP is there plus 20% profit is there. Why I am taking 75, amma, here? Why I am taking 75, amma, here? 100% cost price is there. Loss, na? Loss is how much, amma? 25. All of you understood, Andy? So if we cancel, amma, if we cancel, Andy, 15 5s are 15 8s are. Therefore CP1 by CP2 is equal to CP1 by CP2 is equal to 5 by 8. 5 by total how many parts, amma? 13 parts. 13 parts is nothing but 6500. 13 parts is nothing but what, amma? 6500. Then each part is how much, Andy? Each part is how much, Andy? 500. Therefore 500 times 2500, 500 times 4000. Sorry, 650 kada? Wait. 650 only. 650 only, amma. 1350 times, Andy. Therefore 550 times is how much, amma? 250. 850 times is how much, amma? 400. Therefore your answer is what, amma? 250 comma 400. 250 comma 400. Which option is there, Andy? Option B is the right answer. All of you okay, amma? That is 650 only, Andy. 650 only. No problem. All of you okay, Andy? So I already told one more problem, Andy. Do you know one thing? SP1 is equal to SP2. SP1 is equal to SP2. I already explained. If one article is sold at X% profit, another article is sold at X% loss, the overall transaction is X square by 100. This is applicable for this question. This is applicable for this question. No, because one article they sell at to 20% profit, another one it is 25% loss. Instead of 25 percentage, if they given this is 20 percentage, this is applicable. This is applicable. But here it is not applicable because here they given what amma? Here they given what amma? 25% loss. These two are not same. These two are not same. Okay, Nandi. So that is the reason. If they given same, we go for like this, x square by 100. If they given different, we go for like this. All of you okay, Namma? So that is the reason I am showing all type of examples for you. Okay, Namma? Okay. All of you okay, Namma? Shall I move to the next question? There were two articles and sum of the cost price of these articles is 500. One of them sold at 20% profit, another one is loss of 20%. Besides, the selling price of both the articles were same. Find the amount of overall loss. Here they given besides the selling price of both articles are same. Selling price of both articles are same. Look at me, all of you. Selling price of both articles are same. SP1 is equal to SP2. They given or not? Both the articles were same. One it is a profit of 20%. Another one it is a loss of 20%. 20% profit, 20% loss. This is applicable or not? To the point, all of you okay? This is applicable na? Overall cost price is what amma? The sum of overall cost price is what andi? Overall cost price. Overall CP. Overall CP is 500. Overall loss is how much andi? Overall loss is how much andi? Overall loss is how much amma? I already told whenever SP1 SP2 are equal, one article is sold at X% profit, another article is sold at X% loss. There should be always a loss of X square by 100. Here X square by 100 is nothing but what amma? 20 square by 100. 20 square by 100 is nothing but how much percent loss andi? 4% loss. Therefore 4% and 500. Therefore overall loss is how much andi? Overall loss is how much amma? 20 rupees. So your answer is what amma? 20 rupees. Overall loss is 20 rupees. Option C is the right answer. All of you okay, Nandi? So this I think 17th problem already done, amma. 17th problem already done. Okay, amma. So these are the different models in the profit and loss, Andi. So these are the different models in the profit and loss, amma. First of all, go through the basics, then start question by question. Listen one more time this class, and then it is very easy for you. Okay, amma, that is very easy for you. All of you okay, Andi? So this is all about profit and loss. This is all about what amma? Profit and loss. If you practice more, then you can get the more ideas. Then you can get the more ideas, Andi. All of you okay, Namma? All of you clear regarding this profit and loss? All of you clear this profit and loss, Andi? So be respond. All of you clear this profit and loss chapter? All of you got the basic idea what is profit and loss? Okay, Namma, it's not possible for a single attempt. Just practice as many questions as possible. Okay, Nandi? So we will upload, Andi. So Karthikeyan, we will upload amma that percentages test and profit and loss test. We will upload the sheets. Okay, amma. We will upload, Andi. No problem. We will upload tests, homework sheets, all those materials we are going to upload, amma. That is going on, amma. That work is going on. So we will upload soon. Okay, Andi. And tomorrow's schedule, amma, and all of you, tomorrow's schedule, Andi. Tomorrow's schedule. Just try to note the tomorrow's schedule, all of you. So tomorrow's schedule, tomorrow morning 6 a.m. schedule, tomorrow morning 6 a.m. schedule. So very, very important class under 6 a.m. schedule. Quantitative aptitude, simple interest, compound interest. Quantitative aptitude, simple interest, compound interest. tomorrow's schedule, tomorrow's morning 6 a.m. session, 6 a.m. session, quantitative aptitude, my class only, simple interest, compound interest. What am I? Simple interest, compound interest. Tomorrow's my first session, 6 a.m. session, quantitative aptitude, and 5:30 a.m. session, and 5:30 a.m. session, 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. session. Okay, nama, reasoning. What am I? Reasoning. 5:30 a.m. session is what am I? Reasoning. Subject is what? 5:30 p.m. session is what? Reasoning. All of you clear, Andy? So day after tomorrow, okay, nama? Day after tomorrow schedule is this one, and day after tomorrow also the same schedule. Day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. So day after tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday also morning session quant, evening session reasoning. All of you clear, amma? Day after tomorrow. So this is tomorrow schedule. Day after tomorrow also the same schedule. All of you okay? All of you okay, nama?